Hello everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here today. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to our channel Everyday Budgeting. On this channel, we delve deep into the world of personal finance, covering everything from budgeting tips and savings hacks to strategies for crushing debt. So, if you're looking to transform your financial life, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And to my returning friends, hey man, let's get into today's topic: how to save $11,000 quickly and efficiently. Why $11,000? You might be wondering why I chose this particular number. Saving $11,000 is more than just a financial milestone. It's a powerful symbol of what's possible when you commit to a goal. This amount can serve as an emergency fund, a down payment on a home, or even seed money for starting a business. The point is, once you reach this goal, it unlocks a world of financial opportunities. Step 1. Maximize lump sums of money. Our first strategy is leveraging lump sums of money. This could be a tax refund, a bonus from work, or any unexpected windfall. Instead of spending it all, make a conscious decision to save a significant portion. For instance, tax season is a prime opportunity. Many of us receive sizable refunds. Why not use it to jumpstart your savings? Even if you're tempted to treat yourself, consider the long-term benefits of saving that money. Other sources of lump sums include sign-on bonuses or year-end bonuses from your job. These are perfect opportunities to stash away cash. Allocate a specific amount, $1,000, $2,000, or even more, into your savings account. Remember, the goal is to create a habit of saving whenever you come across extra funds. Step 2. Engage in savings challenges. Let's make saving fun with savings challenges. Savings challenges are a fantastic way to gamify your financial goals. For example, you could take on a challenge to save $1,000 in 30 days or $5,000 in 3 months. Each challenge breaks down the savings into manageable chunks, making it less daunting. These challenges work by setting aside a specific amount from your income or side hustle earnings. Additionally, our community is currently engaging in a no-spend challenge where we avoid non-essential purchases for a set period. The results have been incredible. Some members have reported saving hundreds, sometimes even thousands, just by cutting back on unnecessary spending. Step 3. Monetize your skills and sell unused items. Selling unused items and monetizing your skills can provide a significant boost to your savings. Start by decluttering your home. You'd be surprised at how much value is sitting around in items you no longer need. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to turn those items into cash. But why stop there? Think about the skills you possess. Are you great at organizing, cleaning, or crafting? Turn these skills into a side business. For example, offering cleaning services, freelance writing, or even personalized budgeting advice can bring in extra income. Remember, everyone has something valuable to offer. The key is to identify your strengths and market them effectively. Step 4. Automate your savings. The next step is to automate your savings. Automation removes the temptation to spend money that should be saved. Decide on an amount that you can comfortably set aside each month and have it automatically transferred to your savings account. This method ensures consistency and helps you avoid the manual task of transferring money each time. Moreover, consider opening a high-yield savings account to maximize your returns. These accounts offer better interest rates than standard savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. Just remember, the key to successful automation is discipline. Don't dip into your savings unless it's an emergency. Step 5. Explore side hustles. Finally, let's discuss the power of side hustles. Sometimes a regular 9-to-5 job isn't enough to reach your savings goals quickly. That's where side hustles come in. Whether it's driving for Uber, delivering food with DoorDash, or freelance work, these opportunities can provide the extra income you need. The beauty of a side hustle is its flexibility. You can work around your schedule and choose gigs that align with your interests. For instance, if you enjoy cooking, consider offering meal prep services. If you're tech-savvy, explore options like website design or social media management. The possibilities are endless, and the extra cash can significantly accelerate your savings journey. The mindset for success: saving a substantial amount of money like $11,000 requires more than just practical strategies. It demands a mindset shift. You have to believe in your ability to save. Many people struggle with saving because they don't see themselves as capable of reaching such goals. Change that narrative. Start with small wins and build your confidence. Once you save your first $1,000, the next milestones will feel more achievable. Community wisdom and final thoughts. Now, I've shared my top 5 strategies, but I know you have your own tips and tricks. I encourage you to share them in the comments. Let's turn this space into a goldmine of ideas for saving $11,000 fast. Remember, financial success is a journey, and we're all in this together. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Together, we're creating a supportive community that's all about achieving financial freedom. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and go be great. Peace out.